For the orphans meal, how about veg pulao?
Yes, and we can add Gulab Jamun for dessert.
Great idea! I'll note that down.
They'll be so happy with this.
It's going to be a wonderful meal. This one looks perfect.
It does. The basket is almost full.
We've done well today. I've got everything for a feast tonight. The fresh paneer and mawa will be perfect. I can't wait to get home. I got the ingredients you asked for.
Oh, you remembered. Thank you, my love.
Anything for you. Let's go home.
Yes, let's.
It's boiling nicely.
Yes, I'll give it a stir.
Here is more rice.
Perfect. It smells wonderful. Our best yet.
The pulao smells incredible.
It's almost ready. See how it's bubbling?
Yes, it's cooking perfectly.
Just a little longer. Just a few more.
Thank you, my love.
These tiffins are ready to go.
Yes, let's get them inside. All set. Ready when you are.
Thank you.
We are glad you like them.
This tea is perfect today.
Yes, it is, just like you.
You're sweet.
Have a cookie?
Thank you, my love.
To many more moments like this.